In your daily life, you have heard or you have seen so many cases when people not able to see the far object clearly and some old peoples not able to see the near object clearly. So they use the spectacles in order to clear their vision. Different people have different power of vision. Some people have minus 3.5 and some people have minus 1.5, some people have positive 2. So what is the meaning of this? This all nothing but a power of lens. So let us understand what is the meaning of power of lens. Of lens is nothing but the converging or diverging capacity of the lenses. Let it understand with an example. Here I am taking the two convex lenses. Convex lenses is nothing but a converging lenses. Now make a parallel beam of light. After refraction, you will observe that the convex lens is of higher power. It converges its ray at a short distance from the optical center than at its lens which is of lower power. So we can say that if the power is higher, then focal length is less after this observation. So we can say that power of lens is reciprocal of the focal length when focal length is in meter, and the unit of power is diopter. So the new term is, what is 1 diopter? 1 diopter is a power of lens when focal length of lens is 1 meter. One term is still left. What is the meaning of minus 2 diopter and plus 2 diopter? Here first of all draw the diagrams of convex lens and concave lens. In convex lens you will observe that the focus f2 is on the right side. It means the focus is on the positive side if we consider optical center as a origin. So f2 is on the positive side. The focal length of the convex lens is positive. So the people uses convex lens in order to clear his vision has a power in positive. And similar to the convex we have a concave lens. Concave lens have a focus on the negative side. So focus is negative or power of lens is negative for the concave lens and power of lens and focus is positive for the convex lens. One topic related to the power of lens, that is combination of power of lens. This is nothing but when so many lenses are in contact, then how we get the resultant power? The resultant power we get after summing up all the powers of each and every lens. For example, we have n number of lenses and its power is P1, P2, P3, P4 and so on up to P1. So resultant power is nothing, that is P is equals to P1 plus P2 plus P3 and so on up to Pn. Now here note one thing, that if the lens is convex lens, then we have to put the value in positive, and if the lens is concave lens, then we have to put the value in negative. For example, we have two lenses here. First lens is concave lens having power minus 3 diopter and second lens is convex lens having power plus 2 diopter. Now they are contact with each other. Now find the resultant of the power of lens. So power of lens is nothing but the P1 plus P2. Here P1 is minus 3 diopter and P2 is plus 3 diopter. So the resultant is minus 1 diopter. From this you can also calculate the focal length if asked in the question.